What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, another Mountain Creek vlog. We're here with Dan. Day after Super Bowl Sunday. We're both pretty beat, but the weather is absolutely gorgeous. Forecast for today, we got beautiful blue skies, we got beautiful weather, about 50 degrees or so. A little bit slushy, I'm expecting, but we'll see after the first run. And that was Dan with the AccuWeather forecast. Thanks, Dan. Everything's looking nice. I mean, first run of the day is about to go down. I don't know what else to say. Bye. Quick update, we're taking a run on Bear just to loosen up a little and just to vibe on this beautiful day. You know, grateful to be alive, grateful to be shredding, you know? You never know. You never know until you know. You know, no. So we'll hook it down the racetrack. So I want to go speedy. That was actually so satisfying. I just flew. Yeah, you're insane. Okay, so I mean, if you've been paying attention at all to the video, basically I'm absolute trash today. Put me out on a Thursday night so I can be picked up Friday morning and brought to a landfill. I'm garbage. Mediocre Monday, and then tomorrow's Tame Dog Tuesday. I mean, if you haven't already, make sure you smash subscribe. That's you smashing subscribe. What?